My favorite quote is one that says, "There's light at the end of the toilet." Yeah. So let me tell you some certain points to consider when you're making your solar installation. 1, the financial consideration. 2, roof integrity. 3, we're going to look at the tilt position. So don't worry about all these things. I'm not going to give you too much distance to blow your head, but come to us at James Okore Technical Institute, and we're going to be able to equip you with the necessary things so that when you go out there, you can soar higher than expected. Don't forget that. Don't just love your job, job your love. Thank you.